How to crop your shape on Canva. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end, but make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Canva on your device. For that you can simply go on the Google Play Store or App Store. After that simply log into your account and open it. Now to add any shapes, what you need to do is you can see on the down section there are the section of elements. You can just choose the shape you want to from these lines. So now if you want to just change and crop the shapes, then you cannot do that, but when it comes to photo you can simply crop it however you want to. For example, if I want to crop it, then I will just choose it like this and I can crop it. But if it comes to shape and you want to crop it, then what you can do is just add, if you want to crop a section of this circle, just add this circle here as well. Now what you can simply do is tap on the color option, tap on the white option, color of white. When you do this, you can see that that portion of the circle is gone. So you can just add some other shapes and then make the background similar to the background color. Just like that you can crop it. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.